Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block email tracking on Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a secure and privacy focused email service and it uses end-to-end encryption so only the recipient can read your emails, protects the data from the hackers, and even Proton Mail itself cannot access your messages. So first, in order to block the email tracking, go to the web browser. In the top you can find this address bar, type down proton.me and enter it and click onto the sign in the top right corner. Over here you need to go to this mail, and once you select to this mail we can find to this setting over here. Simply click onto this setting and it will appear on the right hand side. We can find to this all setting. Click onto this all setting. Over here, once you get into this all setting interface, in the left hand side we can find to this email privacy. Under this privacy we can find to this block email tracking, which is already enabled. But if your email tracking is not enabled, what you can do is simply click onto this small toggled on icon and it will automatically toggle on and the block email tracking as well, and Proton Mail blocks most trackers automatically. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to block email tracking on Proton Mail. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.